Arc welding equipment hazards. Welding equipment hazard description. 1. Arc welding equipment is used to join or weld pieces of metal. 2. A powerful electricity generator or a large transformer is used to make a strong electric current. 3. As these current jumps from the welding rod, it melts the welding rod steel, which then flows to make the weld. 4. If eye protection is not used, the bright blue-white flash from welding can cause temporary blindness. 5. The flash also causes burns to exposed skin. 6. These burns are similar to sunburn. 7. The fumes created from welding on galvanized metals can cause sickness. 8. Because welding can act as a fire source, it is subject to special controls. 9. In many cases, a permit to work is required when working away from the welding shop. 10. Welding is not permitted at certain times, such as when explosives are being used in the weld. How can it go wrong? 1. Failing to wear eye protection or adequate clothing when welding. 2. Welding on galvanized metals without good ventilation. 3. Welding without a permit to work. 4. Welding when explosives are being used in the weld. 5. Welding near batteries or welding on equipment with batteries connected. Hazard controls. 1. Only the authorized welder is to operate the welding equipment and perform welding work. 2. The welder must be made fully aware of the welding equipment, the operation, and the hazards involved. 3. All welding equipment must be in good condition, properly maintained and regularly inspected. 4. The welder must have and use all protection clothing, including face visor with eye protection filter, leather gloves, apron, leggings, and boots. Fire extinguishers, CO2 dry powder types. Not water. 5. Screens must be available and used to protect nearby workers from welding flash. 6. Welding away from the welder's shop may require a permit to work. Welding on the wellhead, floor, or mud tanks will require a permit. Check before starting work. 7. Before welding on or near any equipment that contains or may have contained oil, gas, or fuel, it must first be thoroughly cleaned. An explosive gas test must be made before work starts. Further gas tests may be required during the welding work. No welding while weld testing. 8. Always have good ventilation when welding on galvanized metals. Use the mobile blower if no wind. 9. During radio silence there is to be no welding. No welding when explosives are being used in the weld. 10. Do not weld near batteries. Batteries give off the very explosive gas hydrogen. What we do if it goes wrong. 1. In case of injury, give immediate first aid. 2. Get assistance from the medic. Your safety equipment is 1. Coveralls, 2. Welding helmet, 3. Leather gloves, 4. Apron, 5. Boots, 6. Fire extinguishers, 7. CO2 dry powder types.